Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. So if you want to know how I prepare this delicious pancake, is still not looking lovely, follow me to my kitchen. Let's go straight to the business of today. Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor, click that red sign and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much. So on today's video, I'm making pancake, and here are the recipes. So guys, I'm going to use flour. I will use 1 cup of this flour for this recipe, and here is my fresh milk I'm going to use for this recipe. A cup of fresh milk. I'm going to use 1 large egg for this recipe. Here is my sugar I will be using for this recipe, and here is the baking powder. And here is the salt I will be using. I'm going to use a pinch of salt for this recipe. So let's go straight to the business of this video. Before I forget, I will use a vegetable oil for this recipe. So here is the vegetable oil I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do now, I will use a bowl and add 1 cup of flour and my baking powder. This is supposed to be a 2 spoons of baking powder. Yeah, I will add it inside. Now I will add my sugar. This is vanilla sugar, so I'm going to add it inside, which is actually, I don't eat sugar, but that is the recipe for this pancake. So I will stir it right now. Before I stir, I'm going to add pinch of salt, and that is all. Then I will stir it. Then after that, so right now I'm going to add a cup of milk inside and the egg. So I'm going to mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well. So after mixing, I will add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And mix again. So you can see how it's looking. Yeah, so right now we are going to step that aside. Now the next step is for us to fry it. So now I have put in my frying pan on the fire. So what I will do now, so right now I'm going to add small amount of butter. Yeah, so So what I will do next right now is to start the frying. Yeah. So now we are going to turn it. Yeah. So we're going to remove this one. That is how we are going to fry all. So guys, that is the finishing part of our pancake. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share to your friend, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section down below. See you on my next video. As of now, I am out.